Welcome everyone. In this video, you will see the installation, process manager configuration and user administration procedure for SmartComm PMS. Open Setup folder for SmartComm PMS installation. Right-click on the SmartComm setup, click Run as administrator to begin the installation. Click on Yes. In the pop-up window, read the license agreement, click on the tick box. Then click on the three dots present in the pop-up box. Go to Windows C Drive, click on Make New Folder option present, and create a new folder. Click on OK. Start the installation by clicking Install option on the pop-up box. Please wait a while for the installation. Click Next. Read the agreement and tick the Acceptance checkbox. Click on Next 3 times. Click on Install. Click on Finish. Click on Register. Click on OK. Click on OK for 4 times. Click on Finish.
Thank you for watching.